So what's up, guys? Today when we got off work, my friend Zach, his dad has a good friend named Chris. Oh, I'm out of breath. Long story short, we're out here herding some lambs. Come on, little babies. Look at them. Come on now. Hey! So yeah, there we go. Now here comes the fun part. We got my worker. He's about to get down and get dirty. Oh, good girl, huh? That's like the snot off the nose. Well, it's big enough. A couple hundred. That's all you. The shit stain ones are all Zach, you said.
There's a couple hundred here.
A couple hundred here. You heard it here first. This is the Landman of Dixon. Good battle scars. Man, it's crazy out here. Look at these sheep though. The little breeze. Zach. So yeah, they broke out, dude. Yeah, we're out here. We're about to be finished right now. Got their nets, their tail chopped, ears clipped, all that good stuff. Lacey, come here. Lacey, come here. Come here. Come here. Go lay down. Come here, Lacey. Lay down. Stay. Woo. So yeah, we're just about done with herding these sheep up. I'm sweaty, I'm tired, I'm stinky. I'm ready to go home and eat and shower. Yeah. So this is herding sheep. Out here with my guy Chris. We're gonna be out here tomorrow again too. Yeah, I just want to give you guys something, give you guys a video.
Everything just looks like the rain's not coming through.
Shout out to my boy Chris. A hundo for like 4 hours. This is day number 2. Get out of here, dog. The man himself.
A myth.
We're almost done with these lambs, man. I'm tired. I'm ready to go to bed. Almost done. Yep, so we're done for the day. Wasn't that many, only took about 2 hours. I'm about to head out of here and go sling some pallets. What's your shirt? You're a
You
good
weren't working.
worker.
That's why you were sitting in the back just watching me get them wings.
What a great day on the
Nothing.
farm. What a great day. Another one bites the dust. Scratchy. 14 years old. So yeah, it's a good fella. Oh, I see my head. So yeah, good fella Chris, he gave us another 100. We only worked about 2 hours this time. Told him that's way too little. He has my number, so you give me a call again.